Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Messenger not showing active friends. If you're using Facebook Messenger and you're facing the issue that your Messenger app is not showing your active friends like that, so let's see how can you easily fix the issue. So you just have to simply tap on the menu option in the bottom right corner here, then tap on settings option here, and then select privacy and safety, and you will get an option like active status. You have to simply tap on that and they have to simply enable this option. Once you have enabled, your issue must be fixed and you will get the official or active status on your messenger app. If your issue is still not fixed, so it's mean there is any issue with your messenger app. So you have to simply open your settings app here, or very first you cannot try to update your app. So open app store here, go for search, and you have to go for search for Messenger app here, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending update for your Messenger app. If you find any pending update, try to update your Messenger, then go back and you have to open the settings. You have to check if your issue is fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, so you have the only way you have to go for general, go for iPhone storage, and here go for Messenger app. Once you find Messenger, select that, tap on offload app, and then tap on offload app again. It will completely offload your app, and after that you'll get to reinstall option. You just have to reinstall the app on your iPhone. It will not delete your app data, so you can easily try this. And after that your issue will be fixed. If there will be any bug or any malware into your messenger app, it will be fixed in this step, and after that you'll not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video, and the next video, bye bye.